Today with an abiding faith in America and an audacious faith in the future of mankind.
Take a picture, it might last you a little longer. In America, my only wish that our faith in God was a little stronger. In America, more sirens and dying and crying is going on. But my wealth and my selfies and shoe game is getting stronger. Oh, America, we're the land of the free, but we need to be safe. The home of the brave, but I'm scared today. I'm scared your name is dying here in America. And I know this earth is not my home, but I need you here. We need you here, right here in America. Oh, turn the TV on, it might teach you a little something about America. They want you to believe you're wrong, just cause you don't wanna keep up with the Kardashians. Oh, America. But if we really look at the picture, we would realize there's no virtue, and there's some clouds in the culture that only God can push through. It's no secret we need ya. Look at the news, we need ya. And I don't mean to preach ya, but I will if I need to. Oh, cause I'm scared your name is dying here in America. And I know this earth is not my home, but I need you here. We need you here, right here in America. Oh Lord, oh Lord. In America, we can change if we wanna say his name, if we wanna in America. Get free if we wanna meet a need, if we wanna in America. In the war if we wanna open doors, if we wanna in America. Lend a hand if we wanna save a friend, if we wanna in America. I swear your name won't die down here in America. Even if this world is not my home, I know you're here, standing right here in America. No, yeah. I swear your name won't die down here in America. Even if this world is not my home, but I need you here.
האמיל ישמועתנו, וזרוע אדוני על מי נגלת, ויעל כיונק לפניו, וכשורש מארץ צייה, לא תואר לו ולא הדר, ונראהו ולא מראה ונחמדהו. נבזה וחדל אישים, איש מכאובות וידוע חולי.
Yahweh, can you hear me? There's a lot of noise in my head, I wonder can you hear me? And I'm tossing in my bed, I wonder can you hear me? Come now, I think I'm going crazy. And in a world that's gone insane, I need you. When I can't even call your name, I need you. Ooh, I need you. And when I feel like I'm lost a race, I need you. You said the last shall get first place, I need you. And I might even lose my lady, I need you, but I will still follow you daily, I need you. I need you. Good evening.
לכן אחלק לו ברבים, ואת עצומים יחלק שלל, תחת אשר הערה למוות נפשו, ואת פושעים נמנע, והוא חטא רבים נשא, ולפושעים יפגיע.
Name your price in the beginning. If it ever gets more expensive than the price you name, get out of there. Thus, Africa.
What's the cost of $1 if I got no sins, no direction, no sign of his presence? No, I could have all the dollars, but you'd have my name. I would have all the fortune with my soul in flames, but I don't wanna lose my soul, because it costs too much to get here. Whoa, I don't wanna lose my soul. Christ died on the cross to get it back for me. Yeah, I don't wanna lose my soul, because it costs too much to get here. Whoa, not my soul. Hell no, hell no.
Get out of there.
What's the cost of $1 if I got fake friends? Them come around when I'm spending. I'm just a means to an end. Oh, let's not forget my family, cause nobody's exempt. I fought too hard to keep hell from around me, to fool up and be pimped. So I rebuke you, Satan. You have no power here. I'd give all my dollars if heaven is my career. What's the cost of $1 if I got no control, if I got no future, if I got no soul? But yeah, I don't wanna lose my soul, because it costs too much to get here. I don't wanna lose my soul. Christ died on the cross to get it back for me. I don't wanna lose my soul, because it costs too much to get here. Whoa, I don't wanna lose my soul. Hell no, hell no. A new level, I wanna take this love to a new level, and not just in prayer, but holding your hand in public. I'm possessive, I wanna own your thoughts, oh. When I share you, they know that it's real and not just for the gram. Fellowship, what a joy divine, what a blessedness, you are mine. A new level, I wanna take my thoughts to a new level, and not just a sketch, but painting a picture of you that's accessible. I wish this kind of love on the whole world, so they can see the beauty I see when I see you. Blessing, you are mine, you are